For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're still at Meybod and we're gonna visit Chapar Khaneh and Caravanserai. Let's go, let's check out.
So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on. See me for me.
Meybod Caravanserai, also known as Shah Abbasi Caravanserai, is among the caravanserais of the Safavid period and is particularly important in terms of its spatial design, architectural style, and geographical location. Meybod Caravanserai, which is regarded as one of the most equipped road facilities of ancient times, lies next to the city's fortifications and rampart. It is based on a rectangular plan with a yard-centered design and is made of brick with 4-porch method.
So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself.
Guys, it's another Shah Abbasi Caravanserai. If you watched Khaneh episode 2, that video, we had another Shah Abbasi Caravanserai in Khaneh. If you haven't, be sure to check it out. This caravanserai includes an Ab-Anbar or cistern, a Chapar Khaneh, and an ice house or Yazd, which I showed you in the first episode. The yard has 24 chambers that today are used as handicraft workshops, and some parts of the caravanserai have been turned into a traditional restaurant. Considering the interesting fact that Persians invented the postal service in the 6th century BC, post stations were where they kept refreshed and ready horses and men in order to deliver important and valuable packages in a short time. Chapar Khaneh, it was a kind of post office in the past. This place is Ahor, guys. We had it in Khaneh. This is Chapar Khaneh Road and we are here, Meybod. It started in Kerman till Tehran. Therefore, defensive measures such as high protective walls, watchtowers, and aiming holes have been considered important in buildings such as stations. It has the style of Qajar era architecture, but has been built on a much older basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please be sure to give the thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and love you all guys. See you later. Bye!